Hello, friends. I'm pretty excited today as we're going to have somebody who's very special, and it's going to be a great evening today. And specifically, being a Saturday evening, it's time for a little bit of relaxation, a little bit of entertainment, and a wonderful, opportunity to meet this great guy. He's a very beautiful person. I've known him for years together, though we haven't been in touch directly, but we are connected. So, thank you. Who's that? Can you just help me? Sunetra,
Nikita.
hi. Great to see you.
Nikita.
Thank you, Nikita, for joining in. And it's going to be a wonderful time. I assure you that this 1 hour is definitely going to be rocking because there's a rock star who's going to come today. You must have seen my story, and it is none other than the hot hunk and the celebrity actors and playback singer Siddharth Menon. So I'm just waiting for him to join in, and soon we will have a rocking time. There'll be the entire Vivek family who will be connecting here.
Hello, I am so excited to see you. Sunetra, I am so excited to see you too.
Yes, I am excited to see you as well. Who's this?
Sheila Satyanathan.
Sheila, Hari Nair, thank you. Hari, I've been seeing a lot of dishes that you put, yaar. I mean, my children keep demanding them. So, kabhi yahan pe beja bhi karo. And it's lovely to know that you cook such beautifully well. One day, हम लोग वापस मिलेंगे सब लोग, and definitely, मजा करेंगे.
Deepti Pandit.
Deepti, hi, great to know you. And it's wonderful. I think all the Vivians are joining in here.
Siddharth 212.
Siddharth, I'm waiting for you to come online. मुझे थोड़ा पढ़ने में मुश्किल है, but I think
Thanks, Hari said thanks.
yes, Hari,
We'll
that's
definitely
a
have a
promise.
blast. We'll
So आज
definitely
मुझे
have a
बहुत
blast.
सारे treats मिलने वाले हैं.
Deepti Pandit, hello.
Hi, Deepti. Well, as he joins, I will be taking him live. So before that, let me just introduce this wonderful person whom I will be talking to today in conversation on the segment. This is called as Marathi Music. And what is Marathi? I will be speaking later on after he comes. Well, this is Zindagi Ka Parcha, Chai Pe Charcha, Biji Ke Saath. So we'll be sharing certain notes on life from both our lives, and try to give you a best time of your life here. And yes, being a singer, he's also going to perform live here. It's a great opportunity, and I feel really blessed, and my heart is full of gratitude. So Management Me takes great pride in welcoming ace playback singer, Malayalam actor, and my student Siddharth Menon. Management Me would also like to call him as a Marathi musician, co-founder of the famous music band Thaikudam Bridge. He has earned accolades both in the field of music as well as acting. He is also the proud recipient of many national and international awards as Best Debut Award in Vanita Film Awards and South Indian International Awards, and Best Debut Male Singer at the Big FM 92.7 Awards, to name a few. So, we've just added Sidhu online, and soon he'll be coming. So, we are so excited to be with this rocking rock star that is Siddharth
Hello.
Menon.
Hi, ma'am. Right time.
Yes, perfect timing. I already introduced yourself, so do I need to introduce you again?
No need.
For your
Thank you, ma'am.
viewers. Yes, for your viewers. The co-founder of Thaikudam Bridge, the Malayalam hot star, the handsome hunk, the awesome performer, the playback singer, and our own Vivian. So
That
this is
better.
Siddharth Menon.
The last thing is nice.
Yes. The last you can't forget, right?
Yes, never. Whatever
Vivek
I am,
is
whatever I'm today is because of you.
same here, same to same. Whatever I am today is because of the love of such beautiful Vivians and the Vivek family, even the teachers. And just as I announced that I'm going to get you live, many of the teachers, they were so excited and the students were so happy. They said, we definitely will be there. So without wasting much time, I would like to
Okay.
begin the interview. So Siddharth,
Okay.
you've been interviewed
Yeah.
on so many channels. I have been researching and it took me pretty long time. That's the reason
Okay.
why I asked you
Okay.
for more time, because the kind of work that you did, I've been following you, and you have been interviewed by so many people. So how does it feel being on the hot seat of Zindagi Ka Parcha, Chai Pe Charcha, Biji Ke Saath?
Okay, nice. So first of all, thank you so much, ma'am, for inviting me here. And it's definitely like this is something new for me. Like I think this is for the very first time I am doing this, like an Instagram
Okay.
live with my teacher. So I think this is a proud
Okay.
moment for me as well, as a student. And yeah, I mean, I feel great, and I just want to thank you for inviting me and this live session. Though, as you told me, like I've done a lot of interviews and a lot of appearances as such in TV and all that, but this live session will be definitely special for me because this is like wow, a wow feeling for me. So thank you so much for inviting me.
Yes. It
And hi to
actually
all
is.
my friends out here, whoever, or to all the Vivians. And I really miss you guys, and I hope you all are doing good.
Isn't it such a great thing about technology that though we are not face to face, yet it's like a common feeling. Like I literally feel I'm in the Vivek grounds, and you're performing there on stage, and we have everybody come to see you. It's that kind of a feeling that's coming. So I
True,
think our
true,
souls are
man.
connected, and that's a reason. So let me start with this one beautiful question. I'm sure you would love it. How would you define music?
Music. Actually, it's very difficult to define music as such in a, but I'll tell you like what I feel about music
Yeah.
because, you know, for me, actually, music is something like I'm very bad in conversing, and I'm kind of a person who wants to tell something, but when it comes out, it becomes something else. And I'm like, okay, this is not what I meant. So ऐसे होता है मेरे साथ ऐसे बहुत होता था अभी नहीं लेकिन बहुत होता था.
Don't
Uh,
worry, I'm there for you.
so music is I kind of I will define it as maybe you know uh, expression of my emotions. I emote myself. Uh, मेरा emotions music के through होता है. So that's how I kind of, and also I can say that music is maybe my best friend. You ask like who's your
Oh,
best friend. So maybe for me music is my best friend because it's there in all my happiness. It's there अगर कोई हो या ना हो music हमेशा मेरे साथ है. So I consider it as my best friend. Yeah. So I will say
and
that.
you do get lost into it?
Yeah, definitely. It's a people do meditation, right? So for me,
Yes.
music is a meditation. It's a kind of meditation. It's a spiritual thing, uh, which is beyond words. Uh, that's why when you asked me define music, I was not able to define it as such because it has a uh, lot of meaning to it. Because the
Right.
the the way it is for me, not necessary it is the same for someone else. Because for me, it is a guidance. To be very honest, like it. जब भी I am sad, I sing. When I'm
Okay.
happy, I sing. So
Okay.
for me, it is like my way of expressing my emotions. So yeah,
So it's a
so
part of you.
music is yeah, it is definitely a part of me.
That's exactly why we have termed this segment as Marathi music. Because Marathi means you put a part of yourself into what you do. And I think that's what you wanted to say, right? And
Definitely,
you
man,
have
definitely.
defined music so beautifully. You've already defined it. I'm just putting it into the words, which you are finding it difficult to do so. It's like a spiritual meditation where you are a part of that particular moment and you are experiencing a divine connect. I think that is
Yeah,
what you
yeah,
wanted to say.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
True, true.
So that's beautiful, and that's exactly the reason. Whatever I have observed about you, remember before I said that I want to put a catchy tag and I want to get into my zone, so I went into my zone, and all that came to me was this beautiful word, which describes you not only as a musician, as an actor, as a composer, as a human being as well. Because I have studied your films and your music a little, I wouldn't say in depth, but what came across was you put your entire soul into what you're doing. Even if right now when you're connecting now, the aura that you exude is so beautiful. I mean, there cannot be anything, either it's black or white. There cannot be any gray with Sidhu, I think. Am I right?
Thank you, ma'am. That is too much for me, but thank you so much for, like, it means a lot, coming from you, it means a lot. And yeah, I mean, I don't have words, to be very honest. I'm like out
But
of
it's the
words.
truth. But it's the
Yeah,
truth.
yeah, it is. Because when you actually, when I saw your poster, and I was also wondering, Meraki music, I'm like, wow, now this sounds something different. And
Yeah.
I actually even told you, like, right, my friend's institution was Meraki. The name was Meraki.
Yes.
So that time I got to know, I'm like, nice word. So I'm like, wow, ma'am has done like a lot of research. So I'm like, nice.
We grow with our experiences. So, how has your experience in music helped you to evolve as a person? Of course, you've given some insight into it. So, if you could give further insight, how it evolved you.
Mm, Ma'am, as I told you before, I it has made me like patient with it. Like I became
Ah,
what you can say. I was a person who used to take decisions essay, like getting
acha.
into essay.
Impulsive.
So yeah, impulsive kind of a thing. But this thing has made me what you say, relax. I go to a very different zone altogether. Abhi kuch bhi ho jaye, like I'm like acha theek hai. So it has taken to me in that kind of a zone, and I'm very happy. And I think I owe everything to this, because it has been the most important part of my life. Like, I can't even say part of my life. Music is life bolu to bhi problem hai, because I'm not doing 24/7 ye. I'm not dedicating
Yes, yes, yes.
like usme hi pura. That will be a lie if I say music hi sab kuch hai and all. But it has definitely it has changed me as a person drastically, because as you said, like, I was very impulsive. uh, I used to take decisions very quickly, and क्या करना है एकदम से मैं सब करता था. So this thing has made me calm, and ऐसे
So, there is a
ठहराव.
centeredness about you. Ah,
हाँ, एक
Terao. We both
ठहराव
said at the
आ
same
गया
time.
है. Yeah,
Terao.
ठहराव आ गया है थोड़ा तो.
So,
It is
एक
good.
ठहराव वाला गाना हो जाए.
कौन सा गाना?
एक ठहराव वाला गाना जो आपको पसंद है.
ठहराव. Okay, I relate to this song a lot, and this is like a prayer for me, like, normally, because
Okay.
I sing this song in my concerts. It's a Hindi song, because in Kerala, when I do concert, normally, I sing a lot of Malayalam songs, Tamil songs,
Uh-huh.
and all. But this is one song which even the Kerala people have accepted, and so yeah, it's a Sonu Nigam song from the film Agnipath. So I would love to sing
Okay.
it.
Please.
अभी मुझ में कहीं बाकी थोड़ी सी है जिंदगी, जगी धड़कन नहीं, जाना जिंदा हूँ मैं तो अभी, कुछ ऐसी लगन इस लम्हे में है, ये लम्हा कहाँ था मेरा, अब है सामने, इसे छू लूं जरा, मर जाओ या जी लूं जरा, खुशियाँ चूम लूं यारो लूं जरा मर जाऊं या जी लूं जरा अभी मुझ में कहीं बाकी थोड़ी सी है जिंदगी. Yes. I'm not able to stop laughing. I don't know why. But it's like, I feel so good to see you, to talk to you, and like, yeah.
Thanks for viewing, and I'm sure you've had a good time. Like, comment, subscribe, and share as much as possible so that others too can be enlightened. We'll be happy to bring you more and more videos, and if you have any queries with regards to personal development and personal growth, do write to us at seminarbiji@gmail.com or message us on 8355 824 990. I win when you win. God bless.